In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get clean, consistent bevels in Blender. If your bevels are stretching, pinching, or giving you strange shading, this walkthrough will help you lock in reliable, professional results. First, make sure your object's scale is applied. In object mode, press Ctrl+A and choose Scale. Bevels rely on consistent geometry, and non-uniform scale makes the bevel algorithm behave unpredictably. Applying scale resets the object's transforms, so the bevel width you dial in is actually what you get around the whole model. Next, give the bevel something solid to work with by adding supporting geometry. Long, stretched faces tend to distort when beveled. Add loop cuts with Ctrl+R near the edges you plan to bevel. This evens out the topology and reduces stretching, especially on large flat areas. Keep these cuts close enough to control the shape, but leave a bit of room so the bevel has space to form without collapsing. Before you bevel, avoid n-gons. Faces with more than 4 sides often create pinching and wavy corners once you round them over. Aim to keep your mesh in quads in the areas you plan to bevel. Clean, 4-sided faces help Blender calculate smoother, more predictable results. Instead of using the quick Ctrl+B bevel, use the bevel modifier. Go to modifiers and add a bevel. This is non-destructive, gives you cleaner results and much more control. For targeting, try setting the limit method to angle if you want to bevel all edges sharper than a certain threshold, or switch to weight if you want to handpick specific edges. Turn on harden normals to keep the shading crisp across the transition, and enable clamp overlap to prevent the bevel from intersecting itself on tight corners. Because it's a modifier, you can fine-tune the amount and profile at any time as your model evolves. To precisely control which edges get beveled, mark bevel weights. In edit mode, select the edges you want, press Ctrl+E, and choose bevel weight. Then set the bevel modifier to use the weight method, and only those marked edges will receive the bevel. This is perfect for models where you want a mix of sharp and softened edges without affecting the whole mesh. Finally, enable Auto Smooth. In Object Data Properties, under Normals, turn on Auto Smooth. This reduces shading ripples after beveling and works hand in hand with harden normals to keep surfaces looking clean without visible artifacts. Follow this workflow and your bevels will be consistent, clean, and easy to control.